Good morning, everybody. Today, well, let's see. It's 8:50 in the morning. And as you just saw, I've just made myself a coffee and a smoothie. Because today, you're all gonna come with me to get my freaking head tattooed. I am literally I don't know how I feel about it. I'm excited and I'm like, whoa, I'm actually doing this. So you'll see the design when I get there, but basically the aim of today is I just want to show y'all what a head tattoo is like, what it's like when I get tattooed, how I prepare myself, etc. So it's pretty much going to be a vlog with a couple of little like, this is what I do to go to a tattoo appointment. So I have about an hour and a half before I have to leave. I'm going to have my coffee and my smoothie. My smoothie has banana, oats, dates, almond milk, cinnamon and peanut butter in it. So something that's kind of like going to sit really well in my stomach. And it's also going to fill me up enough for the morning. And the coffee is obviously just enough to like wake me up and get me ready to go. So I'm going to have those. I'm going to do my makeup, pick an outfit. I want to show you what I choose to wear to an appointment. And then I'm also going to show you what I take with me to an appointment. So, all right, energy is building up. All right, let's do our makeup.
Your life is empty.
Yes.
Some people may forget the specific. Positive memories are important for all.
This is a germ. Oh yes, that's a germ.
Here's the face. I've gone for like, I don't know, whatever this is. Some kind of like maroony smoky eye. And then just a bit of contour and blush. Oh, it feels so good to have my head shaved. So we bald shaved it. Let me pause this. We bald shaved it 2 days ago and it's already starting to get a little bit of its fuzz back. But it just feels so good. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Honestly, when I do my shaved head update, I'm so excited to tell you all how I've been going with my shaved head. But anyway, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick what I want to wear. I used to always pick like really extravagant outfits, but as I've like had more tattoos, I kind of just realized that like I don't need to look extravagant. I need to be comfortable when I go get tattoos. So it's gonna be 26 degrees today, so it's gonna be kind of warm. I'm thinking I want to just wear like a little just like something really comfy, just like a little matching set or something like that, just to be extra comfy. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna wear this because it's just like super comfy and it is going to be pretty warm. I am going to take a jacket, hoodie with me, just in case I do get cold sitting there. But some long socks, some boots, and just some like rings and maybe a necklace. I won't put any earrings in because I don't want it to interrupt a head tattoo. But yeah, it's just super chill today, no effort, just relax. Okay, so I'm about to leave because it's about half an hour till I want to be on public transport, but I need to go and get a little bit more cash out. So I'm just going to quickly show you what I would be taking with me to a tattoo appointment. So there's some stuff that I'm like, it's not really interesting. Like obviously I need my keys and that. But what I would be taking is, I need my mask. So I have a mask here. Tissues. I have allergies like crazy, so you never know when that's going to come on. I also just have some like general medication stuff, so asthma puffer and eye drops. And then I'd have my wallet to carry my money in. I always take money with me to tattoo appointments unless they've said otherwise, like they've said you don't need money for this appointment, like bank transfers or whatever, but money, most places take money. And then headphones, especially because it's a head tattoo. I feel like there might be a point where I just want to like tap out and not like sort of not be in the space mentally, so headphones in case I want to put like a podcast or music on or watch YouTube videos. In terms of snacks, I usually like to have like 2 to 3 snacks with me. Today I'm going to be taking a Cliff Bar. This is like cool mint chocolate, but I believe it's actually vegan, which is cool. So this is like an energy protein sort of bar. And then I'm taking a massive green smoothie. So this is kale, spinach, lemon, pineapple, apple, kiwi, and chia seeds. I'll be kind of sipping at this all day, and when we take a lunch break, this will be my lunch. So, oh yeah, the only other thing is I'm taking my Polaroid camera with me because I don't know, I just feel like it'd be nice to have a photo of like the day I got my head tattooed, because it's like a kind of a big thing. And I also want to take a photo of me and my tattoo artist Sophie. So that's coming with me. Yeah, so I'm gonna go to the supermarket now, get a little bit more cash out. I'm taking about $4.50 with me, and then if I need to get any more out, that should be fine. Oh, and I totally forgot to mention, like, I'll definitely be taking a jacket with me. It's supposed to be pretty hot today, 26 degrees, but just in case it's a bit like the air conditioning's on, I get cold, or I need to put something underneath my head to like rest, I'll take this with me as well.
Yeah, I can make you do if you want me to. I will be your guide, not your subject or a lie. I can catch your thoughts all good till you cry. Baby, in the show, I'll suck you till you dry. Baby, I'm not big, but please one more chance. I know we're going distant, you fuck me through the can. My love like this, way too in advance. So now we can start by just hold it on. What's better? Maybe in time you'll be my
So that is my head tattoo vlog. I just wanted to quickly discuss, like, I guess pain, because I think that's pretty, some people will be very curious about that. So normally for me, tattoos are pretty easy. I can get through a decent like couple of hours and not really have any like issues with like pain. But I would say that the head tattoo for me started at a 7 on the pain scale and then moved all the way up to like a 9 pretty quickly. I think we were tattooing for about 4 or 5 hours. But the healing of it, oh my god, it's been a week and a half since I got it done, and the healing is literally the best healing I've ever had on a tattoo. So the like part where the stage where it gets flaky for me is usually at a week. It started getting flaky at like 3 days, and like that flakiness only lasted like 2 days, I think, which is really, really fast for a tattoo to heal, at least for me. I also found that there was no discomfort the next day after my head was tattooed, which is another big thing, because normally I feel like I have a bit of a bruise underneath the areas that I've gotten tattooed, but this head tattoo was just so easy to heal, and I would 100% get my head tattooed again in a heartbeat. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching this probably fairly brief vlog, but I just wanted to show you all what a tattoo day sort of looks like for me, and also I feel like a head tattoo is a pretty fun thing to document. So I'm just going to do one more 360 for you all, so... Cool! Yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and... yeah, if you want to see more tattoo content, just let me know. I love making tattoo content. I definitely want to make more. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Alright, bye!
Just go be a friend in me. I'm on bended knees. What's better? Love take all the time to grow. Then we finally know what's better. Yeah, I can make you do if you want me to.